Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can fix the issue of this PC can't run Windows 11 so that you can install Windows 11 on your system. When you're on this page, click on the back button on top left and you'll be taken to this page. Now press Shift and F10 and command prompt or terminal will open. Here just type regedit, hit enter and Registry Editor will open. Now select HKey local machine, double click on it, and here double click on system and double click on setup. Now right click on it and click on new key and let's call it LabConfig. Here make sure the L and C are capital because this is case sensitive, so L should be capital and C should be capital. Now press enter and here this is empty. You need to create new keys, so right click on it, click on new and click on dword 32-bit value, and first one should be called bypass TPM check. Here also B is capital, TPM and C are capital. So these four are capital and B is capital. Now let's create another new dword 32-bit value and let's call this bypass secure boot check. Here also B, S, B and C are capital. Now just double click on this and set the value to 1. It was 0 previously. Now click OK. Here you'll see 1 and now double click on the second one and this also is 0. Change this to 1 and click on OK. Now you are just done. You can close this and continue with the installation and click on I do not have the key again and your installation will start. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.